Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Not much happened today on the Bitcoin chart. The altcoins were a little bit more exciting, but yeah, pretty much the Saturday ran as expected. In one of my last signals yesterday, I posted that the 65k top that formed could be all we get before the weekend, and then we could see a wave 4 sideways consolidation on the weekend. That's also what has happened so far. The pullback that unfolded, I would rather call it consolidation. It is just a corrective pullback at the moment, so it's looking promising. The main question is still if a larger degree fourth wave bottomed on the 5th of August. I can really only confirm it once we get these 5 waves. So wave 3 complete. Wave 3 needs to get to 66,880 or higher, and wave 5 should get to around about 70k. So only when we get these 5 waves completed, we can confirm that the larger degree fourth wave bottomed on the 5th of August. But yeah, overall the trend is up. It's looking promising. Yeah. So we have a breakout above this two week range that formed here since the 8th of August, between the 8th of August and pretty much yesterday. So we had this resistance area. I leave the resistance area on the chart. It is currently defined between 61,400 and 62,900 because it is possible the price will retest it from above. So it's a pivot that previously acted as resistance and it could now act as support. I have, however, also added micro support to the chart, Fibonacci support, which hasn't changed since the last update because the price hasn't formed another high. So it's 62,520 to 63,822. And it's possible that on the weekend we're completing this wave 4. In the previous video, I shared with you that my interpretation is that we are in wave 4 of C of 3. Once we get this next wave up, then it could mark the start of wave 4 of C of 3, larger degree. By the way, there are some trend lines there as well in the 69k area. And then after this larger degree third wave is completed, which as I said should get to around about 66,880, but that's the first ideal target. Should rather go higher, I would say, possibly even to 69k, then a 4 and a 5. Okay, that's what we need to see. Overall, zooming into the micro patterns, yeah, I call it just an ABC structure at the moment. I'm not labeling the micro. First of all, I've run out of wave degrees. That's how messy the structure is. When you are labeling the micro and you're running out of wave degrees, it typically tells you the structure is going to morph, because you get to such a degree of complexity. It doesn't make any sense. Again, this could all still just be a B wave rally, but there is no immediate bearish setup. So I just have it there to remind us there's always a B around the corner. But yeah, no, we're watching for higher prices, especially as long as support is holding. And, again, I'm not labeling it also because it is a bit ambiguous. This could be an A wave. I mean, what is this? Is this the B wave top and then 1, 2, 3? Do we do a 4, 5 in wave C or something? It's sort of pointless. Most important is that we watch support levels 62,520, 63,100, 63,822. This is the fib level the price reacted to understand if the bulls turn up. And once we get a break above the, just double check something. Yeah, so the resistance area is pretty much unchanged. This is standard resistance, but I might also take it out. It's not so meaningful because the microstructure isn't very clear. Today it reacted to resistance, which is a win. It just means the levels are respected, but yeah. The resistance, by the way, is between 64,317 and 64,700. But yeah, if we break above resistance, I'd say that's the first indication that we've bottomed, 64,700, and then yeah, price should take us to that next fib level at 66,880. So first of all, 65,480, and then 66,880. But overall, yeah, this is a corrective pullback so far. So there's no change to plan. Could still take the price higher eventually. And maybe we don't see too much action until tomorrow. But then as we're getting towards the candle close, the weekly candle close, we might see some more action. I think it could be an interesting week ahead. You know, this year was very chaotic price action. Now clearly something has changed. Also the altcoins are moving, so it's definitely interesting. Quick reminder that earlier today I published a video on Twitter. You voted for it on Twitter on Phantom, a video I did not upload on YouTube. So if you're interested in Phantom, check it out. You'll find the link in the description. Also make sure you follow us here on Twitter. It's great to be a bit more decentralized, and also there's plenty of additional content here. Stuff about mindset, DXY update, I posted that yesterday. Some short-term updates, again, mindset stuff, trading tips, and so on. So feel free to check it out and join the club there. But yeah, have a great weekend. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.